We're here again, guys, and we're sisters forever. Today we made Aqua slime. So these are the stuff. Didn't quite turn out like this. We had salt, we had some clear shampoo, and blue food colouring.
I put a bit too much, so...
A bit too much food colouring. And it's not edible at all. Don't eat this. Nope.
Or else you'll be sick.
And these are the little fishies in here.
It's not fishies, oh my gosh.
Oh, it's turtle. And what are the names of the turtles?
Mia. Wait, it was Emma, Jasmine, and Leah.
Yeah. Bye. See you again.
Have a great time with your slimes if you have slimes anyway.